Embrace your passion for shotgun sports and hunting with our clay pigeon shooter embroidered dad hat, tailored for enthusiasts of skeet, trap, and clay pigeon shooting. This classic dad hat features a finely embroidered broken clay pigeon design, symbolizing the excitement and precision of the sport. Crafted for both style and durability, it's the perfect accessory for outdoor adventures, range days, and everyday wear. Whether you're hitting the skeet range or exploring the wilderness, let this hat be a symbol of your dedication to the thrill of the hunt and the camaraderie of shotgun sports. Order yours today.